Hi, I'm Leah Skurdal with another Wednesday Wellness Wisdom. Today we're talking about nutrition. When I was a kid, I didn't eat vegetables, and occasionally I'd eat some fruit, but not much. And then as a college student, I pretty much lived on the beer, cheese, and chocolate diet, and I didn't know why I felt so crappy. It took me a long time to figure out that food-mood connection. And when it finally clicked in, I had no idea that I could feel better if I changed the way I ate. No brainer to some people, but it took me a while to figure that one out. So now, because I eat mostly fruits and vegetables, I have high energy. I feel pretty good. So today we're making a smoothie. And it's summertime, there's lots of fruit available. So it's easier to make a smoothie now. You don't have any excuses. Or you don't have to have any excuses. So I'm going to throw in a banana, and here's my avocado. Take that. And we're going to put in, actually the avocado gives it a real creaminess. So when I figured out to put in avocado, I really, really like that. I'm going to put in some strawberries, smush them down there. And a kiwi. I happen to like the tartness of the combination of tart and sweet. So, this is a little bit of a hard one here. So, chopping up my kiwi. Oh, I lost a bit of it there. And then a peach. And so this is probably about $3 of fruit. And then I need some water. Oh, that might be a little bit too much water, because then it will squirt out. Okay, I just kind of stuff it down there. Whiz it up. Now I happen to like smoothies better than slushies, so we'll give it another whiz. And there we go. I have a delicious, 4 or 5 servings of fruit in one little container. It's really delicious. And this is so, with the avocado in there, it's very filling. So, grab yourself a smoothie. You get a blender probably at a garage sale or a thrift store for not very much. They're not that much at Target either. And whiz up a little smoothie for yourself. It raises with all that fruit, it raises your physical vibration so that you will feel better. This is Leah with Wednesday Wellness Wisdom, and my business is Mastery in the Art of Living. Check out my website, masteryintheartofliving.com. Have a great summer.